people. I get stressed out for the Q&A. Q&A without pay.
No.
Too far, man.
No, me don't want it close.
You're underneath the show.
No, me don't want it close.
Your Bob Marley funeral show.
Bob Marley funeral what?
You know, your Panama show.
What is that?
Your Panama.
What is Panama? What is Bob Marley funeral?
Bob Marley funeral is anything. Bob Marley funeral is big, you know.
So what you talk about big? What you talk about Bob Marley funeral? Under me?
No, man.
So what? What you talk about Bob Marley funeral?
I heard something there about Bob Marley funeral and care, only for care and bike.
Yeah, but what you call me no want me Bob Marley funeral for sure. What you talk about?
Eh?
What you talk about?
That mean they said? You're Bob Marley funeral? You're Bob Marley funeral? That's all it is.
Me not funny.
Okay. Talk your talk. Before we make you have to walk your walk.
Happy Sunday, guys. We are back with another video. It's Q&A Sunday. So we're gonna do a Q&A. Is your belly not show up too much like you're pregnant in the video? Make sure you fix your belly.
My boy just stuck in your belly. I think I go around tuck in belly. Alright, I hide it with this.
I mean, now cut it out. No, son, never. Yeah.
That's why I don't like the video.
It's funny. Yeah, like
And when you edit,
Wait a minute. Who are you?
you're alone by yourself, I edit it. You just look and see the video.
Alright, so me and you are gonna start edit the video them now, yeah? Before me post it. Oh, that's all.
You know,
You got to have your head, man.
on my head.
Your belly in the It's alright, man. Alright, Q&A time, guys. How did you get settled in the US? First question.
My mother, brother sent for my mother. My mother come here. My mother sent for me. We, brother and sisters, 6 of us.
Okay. Now, did I get settled?
You?
Yes.
Me make you get settled.
Well, come to the US. Know my husband from Jamaica.
Johnny husband.
No, you're from Jamaica. We're together from Jamaica. Then you come back for me. And then I got settled. And then I filed for my kids. And that's how my kids got settled. Okay? What you doing, babes? Why you moving the thing?
Mr. Focus.
Oh my gosh. Next question. What would you do if you find out that your partner is gay?
What me that do if I find out you gay? One thing me not do in a life. Let me tell myself something I will never do. That nah man, that will never happen. Me not compete with a woman for another woman. You understand? Me not compete with a woman for another woman. If me have a woman and she find out that she gay,
Or bi?
or even if she bi, me not gonna say once the competing starts, me go loud. Me go just back out.
Okay, so
Because you can't do it. You can have a woman and she gay, she have gay intentions and she not actually gay.
Right.
But when she actually gay have a relationship with another woman now, it not gonna work out because I run tussle and not try to win or try to whatever with another woman, fair woman. So we just leave out that.
Alright. So for me, if me find out say you are gay.
No, say you just never find out say
Alright.
my person gay.
If me find out say my husband or if me find out say me being with somebody and them are gay, the only way is for me if just leave. Because
because I cheating that same man.
Yeah. Because that mean that whole relationship was a lie.
Yeah,
and it not gonna really sit well with me. So the relationship with me and you did have before me find out, it was a lie. It was all a lie, and that just not go sit
and
well
especially
with
for
me.
the woman, once a woman start cheat, she not stop.
And so I'm to the man.
A man will stop, but a woman not stop.
So with the buy something now with a man with a 2-woman thing, my thing say if the man find out that the woman is bi, maybe them will work it out because them bi. So the woman can still stay upon that side eh?
If the man buy too?
No, not the man. No, not the man. I talk about the woman.
If she buy her?
If you find out say you have a woman and she bi, you don't think say you can stay with her because she bi, because she still love man.
If me can't live with that for no say.
She bi.
Somebody else.
I fight with you.
Or somebody else interfere with my things.
Are your things?
My things meaning it not depend on my body, but
Are your?
me just I claim it for the time.
Okay.
And I really literally is not mine, but me I claim it. If me can say it's a woman that my woman that why me can't say there's something I wish I want my own. Yeah.
Okay.
It's just a claim,
Alright, Q&A. Alright. So this is the third one. Where is the next place you would live?
Apart from in America?
Apart from America, which other country you would live? Apart from America and Jamaica, because we are Jamaican. So we live at Jamaica.
Without a doubt, Africa.
Did I live in Africa?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's where I come from.
Yeah, go back to your roots.
Yeah, all right. 100% right now, I tell myself I live in Africa. If it comes to the test, I have to go somewhere else, or I get the opportunity, I'm going to go there and like it, and I live there. But we never got there before. Based upon what people say.
Africa nice?
Yeah.
It depends on where in Africa, because sometimes when you really watch some scary
that's why them do. Them put up the worst part of Africa in the movies.
Yeah.
And put the wrong ideas in our head.
Not just in a movie, but even in actual videos and stuff.
Anything.
Video footage,
yeah. But you know what kind of changed the whole kind of change the thing how people look on Africa. You know which movie? What movie come out of the name again? Black Panther.
Black Panther.
Yeah. Black Panther kind of Africa, people it have changed already, because people have different views or different meaning about Africa.
Them look white, man.
But since Black Panther movie, people are look more into Africa because the movie they show up Africa, say Africa in a up to date. With dressing.
Yeah, some nice things, some nice places. Even some of the celebrity them in Africa, like we follow them on Instagram and Facebook. And you can see like when them show a certain place in Africa, it's really nice. You know? South Africa mostly though.
Parts of South Africa, Nigeria. All Ethiopia.
Yeah.
Ethiopia. And
so the place are developed. The place are developed now and it will get nice. Because people invest now in the
No,
country.
long time it developed, but it's
Yeah.
just
The people showing the
it gets
worst part.
stifled.
Yeah.
Yeah, it gets stifled by
And
the
people
media.
keep showing the wrong part.
Yeah, they
Yeah.
don't show the good thing about it.
All right,
and
so
give people different thoughts of Africa where most of we don't want to go there.
right,
We who come from there don't want to go there.
right,
Them will
right.
go there, take it over, but them block our mind from it. Tell show we bad things about it and block our mind. So we don't want to go there. So them just go there and just take over.
Okay. Yeah.
Next.
Where me would I live next? Me would I want to visit Switzerland.
To see if you don't live there.
To see if me would I live there next. Me can't say me would I live there so or here so or here so, cause me never go there. So me no want to say okay me would I go there so go live, and me no know if me I go like it there. So me no really have nowhere else on my bucket list to live. So.
There's Switzerland. The nicest place to live.
I saw me here. So Switzerland is the nicest place, and I really want to go there. Go look. For see where it is. But Switzerland would have be on my list because me here says less crime and because me so paranoid when it come on to crime.
Not even crime alone. Because you have one other country with less crime. All Africa. Some African countries have no crime.
Okay.
And then they do worse than Jamaica.
Right.
And then bring them back.
Because me is such a paranoid person and such a calm person, and I just love to see everybody happy, and I'm like quietness and lovingness. It's like me would I go someplace. Me always say if I could have find one hole and go live in where me not have to deal with the whole chaos of the world, me would have find one hole and go live in it. Find one cave and just bring the people them where they run me, where me love and care for. But me can't just live because me just can't take the loud noise with the crime and violence and all them something. But that's me. That's why I say Switzerland. Come here, say no violence, not day. Alright, so the next thing again, the next question is what would you do if you find out your husband cheat or your wife cheat with your best friend?
All them things there, if you question it, all them things there, cheat.
Snap out of it.
It never be the best friend. It never be the best. Could have even work. Could have even be enemy. And the worst one too. From enemy coming right down to friend.
Let me just shut down this right away.
Cheating.
Me not tolerate that.
Cheating is a no-no.
Me not tolerate that period. But it's a Q&A when I have to ask. Let me just ask it. When me just shut it down, cheating in my vocabulary. And any of me cheat, the relationship with me in must done. That's the only way.
But that's not cheating.
That is it. That is the end of it. Me not in it. But anytime that occur, it must over. Can't deal with it mentally. I don't want to hear it. Alright. Okay, so what is your dream job?
Accountant.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Accountant was your dream job?
Career, yeah.
Oh yeah?
But right now, we don't get that. So most of them, your dream can change as time goes by. You get maturity take over. But up to that day, we like figures. But me not in another position. Me not get the opportunity for going into studies there. So apart from accountant, is a favorite job?
Dream.
Dream job?
Yeah. What would really be your dream job? Even if it's not really a dream job, but what did you have in mind that would be a dream job?
Business, running a business.
Yeah, that I mean.
Like chucking on them thing there. So that would be my dream job. It's a have a 3, 4, 5 truck.
Oh, so you don't want
small business thing.
Right.
No, nothing too big with a overburden me.
Okay, so
Unless
growing
they
up,
help.
I never used to really have like a dream job. I always in my guts knowing Just you come like some little penny way, just get trouble. Sure. I always want to. I'll forget.
Some lie that go
Me
tell.
focus on you too much and now keep yourself quiet and they all over in the place.
Some lie that go tell.
Man.
Mm. Oh.
Alright, so me is a people person and you know I always love to see and love to help people. So my dream job was to help others. But I still want to help others. It's just that I have to help myself before I can help others. So lately me feel like owning my own business would be the ideal for me for a dream job. Having my own business.
Follow ya, follow me.
Oh my gosh. What would you prefer? Money or home?
Money. Money. We are getting high there. Yeah, look me or something.
You see, you have his toothpick and bore up the toilet, it's something, Page.
Yeah, get them high there like you look me. Yeah,
That's what you hear me soon that shit out, you know?
when the time come, no, you're not gonna do it forever, but when it can't dash up before the time,
They look mash up.
still can't dash up before the time. Look how long you're there, look how long you're there on wall. Nobody dash you up. A chair that's even 5 year old, good.
What you say?
I like.
What you at about?
About 6 year old.
Yeah, that chair has soon time for go, man.
Yeah, when the time come.
And me not like
I make sure say you replace it, the replacement beat it. 'Cause you can't left from Benz and go down a Honda. Is either you stay in a Benz or when you left Benz you go higher than Benz, like I love Bentley or a Rolls Royce.
Okay.
So
All right, so let's go back to the ask the question already.
mm.
We now go.
Yeah, so what you said, either the house or the money.
Yeah.
The money. Because with the money, I mean, the money make things possible for you. So if you want a home, the money can make you have a home. The money can make you
Have a house.
have a house to return in a home. Because a home is not a, where you go? A house is not a home. A house is not a home until you turn it in a home. Until it be a home. This, yes, I take them and become our own. Because we have set it, you know, we have to get the comfort in it and set it. And we have the respect in the house, put in the respect way. And them things there, all of them things they put together to make it a home. Your husband respect you and show you respect, your wife respect you, you get respect for your pit them in the house. This put in place, that put in place. You have you set up this for your comfort, you set up this for your comfort, the pit them comfortable and right, loving at the house, food, everything. Nobody life not perfect still, you know, but that is a home.
Yep. Last question, guys. Is foreign what it looks like on TV? You know, growing up, you see foreign on TV, and you say, "Oh my gosh, more I'm gonna so go live, more I'm gonna." Is it what? Now that you're there, foreign, is it what you did expect?
No, that youth brain there, mind there, you know. Just a youth mind there still, you know, because coming up, when you're a youth, even if before me come here, so coming out of the youth stage, we get to understand, say, we get to learn, say, foreign know when me they think, you know, even though I never come here yet. But you know, the longer you live, the more you learn, and the more understanding you get. So that young mind, when we did that, when I say, damn, foreign, and everybody thinks that foreign is a bed of rose or a paradise, so when you get to come here, I hate that your sufferation done, no more hungry, you know, no money problem again. A lot of us Jamaican have them talk there about foreign and when people come of foreign. But coming out of that stage there, before me come to America, we get to understand so. But again, me did just will want to come know America, are interested to come know America. So at one point, I used to wonder if dirt there.
That's the way you see on TV.
Yeah, it'll be a pretty building, man, and concrete and you know, pretty and nothing like Africa. When they show Africa, when they show Africa, I'd be dirty, I see.
Yeah.
Red dirt.
All the road them like when you're at Jamaica and you hear people talk about foreign and cuss,
pretty.
yes, and cuss the road them and say, where, yo, go all to New York, even see a place.
Foreign road pretty and highway them pretty and no pothole.
The pothole they are foreign and this that. I'm like, people, please stop. When I come here and see some of the pothole, let me see. One of the places where I go in a New York, you know, when I go to Queens, you know, one of the time, I said, John, I really foreign road this year? No, sir.
And you see, up north, I saw where snowfall, I saw the road them bad, you know. Anyway, snowfall, and snow, plowing on the snow, mash up the road.
The road, yeah, true.
Because down south, road smooth and pretty.
Yeah.
So,
yeah, it's true. Up here, so with the snow and the plow truck, them and rails, I drop down on the road and I dig up the snow.
Mash up the road.
Mash up the road quick, for sure. Makes sense.
And the whole heap of man will cover them and whole heap of drain and the man will cover them terrible things.
Anyways, we're gonna close, guys.
Already?
Yes.
Nice.
You see,
short and spicy.
You see, you never want to do it. You never want to do the video, and now
Me don't want to stop.
you don't want to stop.
Me want to stop. I'm glad to hear you say that.
You're such a hypocrite.
I said me don't want to stop, but me just surprised you. Me think it'll go longer. So
No.
me just glad when you say that.
That's
That
the
was the
last
last
one.
question. So we're on the next Q&A. Come and get me kind of like it. The next Q&A, you know, I'll get in more personal.
I know, right?
Yeah, I'm going to bedroom.
Wow.
Yeah.
So yeah, go on. Wow.
Bedroom.
Alright guys, so tell me what you think about the video, and if you like this video, leave us a thumbs up. Share. Sharing is caring. Okay? Don't forget to subscribe if you don't already subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you will always know when we upload. And thank you guys so much for watching. What you want to tell the people them, Ben? Tell the people them something.
Thank you guys for watching. Look out for the next one. Bye for now. Remember, like, share, subscribe. What again?
Hit the notification bell.
Notification bell. And before. I'm going to do my business, I know.
Nalika! Come here. Some say hello to the people them. Come on.
I'm coming.
Come here now. Come here. Say hello to the people them. Say hi, guys. That's my daughter, guys. Say hi, Malika.
Bye,
Hi,
guys.
Malika.
Bye, guys.
What kind of video that you sent me with some out of that song? Did not post that.